Welcome friends to SPN Consultancy. Thank you once again for your lovely support. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. As I have completed 24 videos, so today the new video will be on the Vimshatari Dasas, the periods of planets are as follows. So before that, anybody new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe it, and don't forget to press the icon bell so that you will be notified of my latest videos. So let's start. Let me share my screen with you all. Our new topic will be on the Dasa periods of planets. So first, I will be taking, according to sequence, I will be taking it. First will be Ketu Maharaj. Ketu will be of 7 years. Then it will be Venus. Venus will be of 20 years. Then we are going sequence size. First is Ketu, then Venus, then Sun. Then Sun will be of 6 years. Then Moon will be of 10 years. Then next will be Mars. Mars will be of 7 years. Then Rahu. Rahu will be of 18 years. Then it will be Jupiter. And Jupiter will be of 16 years. Jupiter will be of 16 years. Then after Jupiter, the next planet will be Saturn. And the Saturn will be of 19 years. Then the last planet is Mercury. And the Mercury will be of 17 years. So let me verify it, whether it is correct. Ketu will be of 7 years. Venus will be of 20 years. Sun will be of 6 years. Moon will be of 10 years. Mars will be of 7 years. Rahu will be of 18 years. Jupiter will be of 16. Saturn will be of 19 years. And Mercury will be of 17 years. Yeah, okay. So these are the periods of the planets. That is Vimshatari Dasa. And if we add all these years, then it will come. If we add all these years, then it will come to 120 years. And the maximum lifespan of a person is 120 years only. So these are the periods of planets, and it is given in the sequence. First, it will be the Dasa will be of Ketu, then Venus, then Sun, Moon, Mars, Rahu, Jupiter, Saturn, and Mercury. At the time of birth, whatever the Dasa will be, suppose a person is born with the Dasa of Venus at his birth time. Then after Venus, his Dasa will be coming to Sun, then Moon, then Mars, Rahu, Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury, then again it will come to Ketu, then again come to Venus. So this is the periods of all the planets. I hope you all have got the information of the periods of planets, and it will be helpful to you. It will be informative to you. If anybody wants to take the snapshot, they can take it. They can note it down. It's quite useful, and you have to buy at it. So if you need, at the time of predictions, it is required. So what is the data of those planets? As already it is mentioned in the softwares and all, but still if you remember it, it will be useful for all of you. So I hope you all got it, and the video will be informative for you. I have made more than 20 videos also. You can check it out in the playlist. And if anybody needs any consultation from me, they can mail me. My mail address is in the description box. And if you have any doubts, you can comment me in the comment box so that I can reply to you. So friends, if you find my video informative one, then do share it, subscribe it, so that it can go to many persons and they will be benefited from it. So thank you. Thanks a lot. Tomorrow I will be with a new topic. So till then, goodbye and good night.